broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round. And you can find the fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Mountains, we gon' walk it out. Mountains, and I rise up, I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you. In spite of the ache, and I do it 1,000 times again. Rise up, the waves, I rise up. In spite of the ache, I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
Wow! Coach Chito!
Sobrang
Grabe.
sobrang enjoyable panoorin. Vocally, hindi siya super perfect, pero okay lang because it was such a treat to watch. Tapos all the dramatics, mga cinematics, mga kaarte-artean, magaling kayo na performers and I enjoyed it talaga. Sobrang nakakatuwa.
Coach Billy, fierce no? Fierce.
Oo, sobrang fierce and grabe yung I love the attitude. You're here to sing your hearts out. I do have to agree then with Coach Chito. There are a few times lang na parang, but I think parang forgivable siya sa akin dahil sobrang nadala ako sa emotion ng performance niyo. So, great job. Great job.
Coach Sel, kamusta ang boses ng Mami Divas natin?
Agree ako with the other coaches, like hindi siya vocally perfect. Pero yun ang essence kasi ng live performance talaga eh. Kasi nandyan yung kaba, andyan yung worry mo. Pinag-groove nyo kami and na-enjoy namin yung performance nyo. Yun yung nagmamatter. Kaya sobrang congratulations.
Salamat, Opa.
Congratulations.
Ni-rock and roll nila eh. Anyway, Coach Julie.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na full-time mom silang dalawa. Kaya pag tinatanong ko kung kamusta sila, lagi na lang sinishare kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. Kaya nakaka-inspire lalo sila. Kasi, alam mo yon yung responsibility ng isang ina, hindi talaga biro.
No.
Kaya, saludo ako sa inyong dalawa for giving your all, nangingibabaw kayo sa stage.
Halimaw ka.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you,
Galing.
Coach. Thank you so much.
At ang huling grupong sasalang tonight ay